What is going on, everyone? Look at the spot I'm in today. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. I haven't really filmed outside in a long time. We got a lot of new toys, by the way. We got a new camera lens and a new mic. Corey's been filming a lot of videos, and I'm finally able to be back full-time on eCom Street. So let's get this started, guys. Currently, I'm outside just because I've had a lot of renovations going inside my house. So why not film outside? It's beautiful outside, especially in Canada when it's always fucking minus 20. In April. Today was actually a beautiful day, so why not film and get some fire content going. So today's video is going to be all about billboard ads and how we're going to be putting our brand literally on a billboard ad that you see like on the highway. Like, this is insane. Like, I'm about to tell you guys some secret sauce here, so let's do this. Let's dive deep into this video and talk about billboard ads, okay? Damn, like, who would have thought that you have access to a billboard? And you'd be very surprised how cheap it actually is, okay? You can run billboard ads literally for like $5 a day if you really want to. You can run them for $200, you can run them for $500. It's not a pay per billboard basis. We found a really cool website called Blip, and it's a company that owns thousands of billboards. And essentially what you do is basically just like Facebook or like Snapchat or Google when you run ads. You select a billboard, so I guess that would be the placement, and essentially how it works is you pay on a day-to-day basis. So you set up daily budget like Facebook, Snapchat, and Google, and then you choose a time frame and you choose exactly what time and where you want the ads to be shown. So you design a banner like you would see like on a billboard, and that banner is then shown to people that literally drive across the highway. So if you have a certain like business location that you guys get a lot of customers from, you could literally find a billboard per se in like California and have a billboard of your brand on it. Like, isn't that cool? And at the same time, they send you like pictures and they send you videos of what it actually looks like. So if you're like trying to show like your brand, like what it looks like on a billboard to someone, or like your actual audience, like you say you have a big Instagram page, you can show that your brand is on a billboard, and all it costs you, it literally costs you up to $5 a day. Like, not even. It's crazy. And there's not much to it. I mean, the only downside to doing this is that you can't track your metrics. So for example, like you can't track like cost per click to your website, because a billboard is literally like someone drives by it and sees it. That's it. Like, it's like a commercial like on TV, for example, right? The only thing you can track is like viewers. So on the website, it actually shows you how many views that billboard would get per day if someone were to drive by it. So like there's this one here that where it's like 400,000 views per day on the highway. Like, they're estimating that's how much reach you would get. So ideally it's just measuring your reach and it's measuring the views that your billboard would get, but there's no way to actually track conversions and to track like how many views it gets from your website, right? Like, no one will actually know until you may see a spike in traffic, you may see a spike in purchases or any of that stuff. There are many case studies. Like, we can put all the links in the description below so you guys can check that out. I think it's a really neat thing. We actually haven't done it, and we're planning on doing it very soon because we just found it, and I just thought that'd be something really cool to show to you guys. A couple other things to mention for this. You don't have to sign up for anything. There is a subscription that actually allows you to get help from someone from the team there. They'll give you some marketing ideas, kind of like effective ways and like what times you can run your billboards at. So in case you don't actually know what the most effective times are, like, they'll be able to tell you that stuff, and they'll be able to help you. You can also get a design team done, sent to you so that they can create your ads, which is pretty cool in my opinion. But I mean, if you have a marketing team and you have a design team already, you don't have to, obviously you wouldn't have to pay for the subscription. Definitely is something to keep in mind for sure once you start, especially if you're a new business. Yeah, I definitely recommend this. We're gonna try it, and maybe even show a couple of results when we do try it, but I thought we'd be like kind of the first people to make a video about this just because it's so new and not a lot of people are talking about it. So that's pretty much it. Alright guys, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Very quick, just kind of like a little value bomb right there. Nothing too crazy, but again, we do appreciate the subs as we are a smaller channel. We actually did recently just hit 1,000 subscribers, so thank you for that. I never got to personally say thanks, so I'm very, very excited for that. I just want to say a great thank you again from Corey and I as well. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.